All right, we're going to draw some circles today with this measure and mark tape measure radius maker. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put our pencil lead holder into the unit. The lead goes in this side, threaded part on top. It comes with about a dozen pieces of lead. Put the lead in there and screw the brass piece on top. As you tighten this down, it's going to tighten down onto the lead. We're going to put this center pin in the center hole. All right, and that's the pivot point, and that's where it's going to draw the circle. So we can pull the tape measure out to how big the arc you want, and then flip the button all the way out. And then we can hold our center point and draw our arc. Simple as that. I would say there's probably better tools out there. For the price, this one's good to have. It's you definitely need two hands. It's not something you're just going to turn a circle with. So you would need to have two hands available, and yeah, so you could use it as a tape measure also, but you're going to want to flip that tab out, locks it in, and then you can use two hands and make your arcs. Not the easiest for making a perfect circle. That is, you'd have to really take some time. There we go. So if we hold it flat, make sure the tape doesn't bend. If it bends, it'll pull the circle off. So you've got to keep it very straight. Let's try over here and make an arc. All right, that is the rotary tape measure compass. Probably would work on some drywall, concrete, wood, things like that.